Good morning, love. It's your favorite love song. Good morning, Vlogmas day number 2. I'm such a nerd. So guys, I'm just opening the window, as you can tell. What we are gonna do, wow, it's so bright outside. What we are gonna do is I'm gonna make me a shake. Actually, I changed my mind. I don't know what I'm gonna make. I said I change it. Oh, no. Shut up. All right, let me just. Yep, you can see still at the red light, waiting for this to turn blue. Okay, there we go. Tears, learn to love her. I know. So I just saw a little glimpse of Christmas. And look, red roses. It's the second day of Vlogmas. Yay! This is a convenience store, but we're not going to the convenience store. Okay, so we're at the crossroad now, so I'm gonna wait until the light turns green. So we're going up there. That's off house. Okay, hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas. I just came from school, so I'm gonna turn on the lights. Okay, so turn this on. Yes, and then we're gonna turn on the other light. Okay, I'm gonna turn on the air freshener just because. dinner. Okay. I'm gonna make some Thai curry today. Yeah. So we are gonna be using this. Yeah, and I'm also gonna make this for Christmas. So Thai curry. And I'm gonna put some bean. I have some beans from a few days ago. I'll put that in it. And what else? Put a little cilantro in it. Yep. And some lemon. What else? Oh, this is my shake from today. I made a shake this afternoon. I think you've seen that clip. So good. I have to wash this out. Okay, about plans and all of that for the rest of the season. Actually, this is day 2 of Vlogmas. Day 2, and I haven't really done anything much, to be honest. We're getting in the spirit. We're getting in the spirit. We turn on the lights here. Lights here. I'm so excited. I don't know why. The leftover curry in this pot is intense. Like, sis, I wasn't expecting that. So I just have this little oil jar. I bought this at the convenience store for $1. Alright, so the first thing we do when we're doing Thai curry is we're gonna start with the onion. Okay, this is like Gordon Ramsay kitchen, and we're going to saute it. So that means if you're sauteing, you have to turn down the fire to a low setting. Alright, and we're going to, I didn't want to put the ginger in it, but it's already in it, so yeah. So I'm gonna put everything, all of the vegetables, everything in it. Alright, we're going to take this. We're going to do this. We are sauteing the vegetables. We don't want them to be chunky. We can actually put everything in the pot. Something actually not ready, Jesus. I believe. Yeah, we can put everything in the pot. Frying pan. So we just get all the vegetables and we just cook it down and so forth. I'll get a practice from now because when I have a guest over for Christmas dinner. Yeah, she wanted me to come somewhere with other friends, but I don't know. For me, Christmas, I want to be in control of my Christmas. You know what I'm saying? Right? Yeah, I like do my thing during Christmas. Oh, craps! Too much black pepper, girl. Jody, put some more black pepper. This could just open. Yeah, just put some seasoning, and I think I want to put some thyme. I like thyme in my food. I really like thyme, and we just basically mix it and cook it down so everything is nice and dandy. Kind of vibe? Yeah. Just allow it to saute, not cook. Just everything. I want everything to cook down before I actually put the paste in it. So as you can see, that's what we are doing. Alright, so alright guys, so now we're going to put some garlic. Yeah, so that's garlic. Put piece more. So what we're going to do now, we're going to add the paste. This is the Thai curry paste. As you can tell, hope you can see it. Let me zoom out a little bit so you can actually see me. Alright, so this is the Thai curry. Basically it comes in a paste. I've used that maybe this like 5 times so far. So it makes a lot of curry. Alright, so I'm just going to take 2 spoons in my estimation. Just going to take it now in here. Whatever is left in this currently is for a 1 pot or just something quick. I'm just going to put this in there. And then the coconut milk, mix it, and I'm going to put like 1/3 of the entire can. So I like to mix it first, and then I'm just going to pour it. Yes. Okay, so this is the current state of the pot. Just going to mix everything now, like so. And everything that I'm using is from Thailand. Thai everything. I need 2 cameras. So I basically poured out the what's this? Coconut milk. I'm going to put it in the fridge. Alright, so I'm going to put my beans. These are some red beans and some regular beans. Like, what kind of beans now? Kidney beans and Mexican beans. I'm not sure what the name, just regular beans. Yeah, so I just pour everything in. And the only thing is the beans, the red beans, I kind of threw off the water that came with it, and the other bean I left it because it actually tastes good. I don't like the liquid that the red bean has in the can. Yeah, it has a slimy texture and I don't like that. Technically finished. I'm gonna put some lemon juice just for some flavor. So this is the current state of my Thai red curry. Vegetables, it's very, very flavorful, guys. Oh my gosh, very flavorful. Very nice. Alright, so I'm gonna leave this and do something else. Alright, so continue watching. Okay guys, so everything is on. We put on some of the berry thingy. I don't even remember the name. We put on, where's the food? Oh. We put on this, the wheat berries. Alright. I doubt it's finished. I think it needs a little bit more water. So I'm going to pour this now. This is some beans. So I'm going to pour some of the water in it. Okay, and then maybe get a spoon and pour out not all of the beans, just some. Okay. Alright. And then save the rest for another day. Alright guys, so yummy, right? Tell them I say, a chef, I'm a chef. I am a chef. Right, nice. I'm ready. I think everything is ready now. So, I'm going to share this out and eat right about now because I'm hungry. I need to get some little bit of cabbage, not cabbage, lettuce. This is what I'm gonna eat right now. Alright, need a plate. Yeah, I love my stews. Why always the rice? It's not rice. Wheat berries. Yeah, wheat is different from rice. Guys, you guys need to smell it. It's like amazing. I love Thai curry. Thai curry is the best. Look at this. Like, alright. We're going to eat dinner right now. Sit, chill, relax, and all that jazz. Alright, so let's go. Water is life. Actually, this is lemon and water, not straight water. Alright, so guys, we're doing here. And then we're just going to sit and relax and eat. Alright, so I don't know if I should turn on the light. Alright, so guys, we're doing here. And then we're just going to sit and relax and eat. Alright, so I don't know if I should turn on the light. So the thing with this now, it takes up a lot of this diffuser. It uses a lot. Sitting here with my little blankets. It's Christmas! And just going to bless the food, Lord. Bless and sanctify this food. So I thank you for providing. Thank you for allowing me to actually be here and to bask in this wonderful dinner that I have prepared, that you have blessed me with the money to buy it, and so that I can prepare it. And I'm really grateful.